guys, welcome to Code LSS, and this is our third video on this YouTube channel, and this is a continuation to the last part, which was part 2 about vertical text view. So there were a few things that I couldn't explain in a very easy manner. So here is a video, whiteboard video, where I'll be explaining this portion of the code, that how it works, how we wrote that code in vertical text view, the custom view that we have created. So let's get started with the video. So there are a few things that you need to know here. These are the few lines that I just copied from my editor to here. So this is canvas.save, translate, rotate, draw, and restore. So let's talk about canvas.save first. So what does it mean by canvas.save and why we use it? So whenever you call this save method canvas.save, what it will do is, so there is a stack, and in this stack it will store the current canvas object. So current instance of this canvas will be stored in this canvas.save, will store that instance in this stack, and it will move forward to the next line. So whenever this line canvas.translate get called, so what it will do is, so suppose height is 50 and it's like x and y. So x is 0, it's like dx or dy, but let's leave it. So it's x and y, like 0 and height. So what does it mean by translate? So let's say, so these are text view, it's 0 0, right, and its height is 50, so that means that it's 0 50, right? So now let's say we want to translate it in y minutes, like height. So what does it mean by what does it mean is that whenever we call canvas.translate to 0 and 50, so it will call 0 and 50, what it will do is it will just move this 0 0 to 0 50. So it will move it to here. Okay, so now let's go to like this next line, which is canvas.rotate. So what does it mean by canvas.rotate? So we need to rotate the text view, right, in -90. So why we have used -90°? So if you see this quadrant, so it's like 0, right, and we need to move it like clockwise manner. So it's 90, it's 180, it's 270, it's 360. So let's say this is our text view, like somewhat this is our text view. Now we need to like move this text view in a way that we need text view in this manner, text, right? Oh sorry, it's not this clockwise manner, it's like 0, 90, 180, 270, 360, right? So what we'll do is, so if we rotate it in +90°, then it will rotate it in this way, and then our text will be printed not this way, but instead of it will get printed in this way, which is not we want, right? So what we'll do is, instead of moving it +90°, we'll move it in -90°, which is equal to like 270. So that will print this text. Let me. So it will move it in this way, and it will create this, and whenever we rotate in -90°, it will draw this view. Now we want to draw that canvas in text view. So what we'll do is layout.draw canvas, and it will get drawn on the UI, right? So now what we're doing is canvas.restore. So what's the use of canvas.restore? So whenever you call canvas.restore, what it will do is it will go to and check this stack, and it will check for the instance of canvas that is stored. So if it's stored in this, if the instance is stored in this stack, then it will pop that canvas instance and use that, right? And it will go back to the these instance instead of the latest instance. So why does it do it? So let's say firstly, whenever you started, your origin was 0 0 in here, and then you translate and rotated it in this manner, and you were translating 0 by 50. So whenever you add, like after these few steps, if you need to move ahead and want to do some other stuff, then you need to remember that you have last translated to like 0 50 and then -90 and stuff like that. But if you restore it, then it will go back to its origin, and you can calculate it from there. So I think that would be easy. That's why there is a concept of save and restore. So what if you don't call .save and call restore, then it will simply give you an error. It will throw an error, and yeah, that's it. It will throw an error like there are more restore than save. So somewhat like that. And I think I made my point. So if you have any question, you can comment down below or mail me at mail2codersals@gmail.com. Thank you guys.